I decided to talk about the Arctic refugee drilling. That is a debate going on in Alaska about whether or not to drill a area protected by the government or to not touch it and allow it to stay how it is right now. The Arctic refugee is located in northern Alaska and it borders up with Canada. The area spans over 19 million acres of untouched, uninhibited land. No one lives there. Thousands of animals live there and call it home. And the government wants to drill for oil on section 1002, which is about 1.2 million acres. Many natives rely on that section for their hunting and fishing, and that counts for a lot of their food throughout the year. It's believed to hold millions of barrels of oil, some say even billions. In 1980, Congress declared this section of 1002 open for drilling, and in 2017 Trump signed the law into effect, and then shortly thereafter the indigenous people stopped them for now. They petitioned, and it hasn't really been talked about until just recently again. And Marathon Oil is put in a bid of billions of dollars to allow them to drill for oil down there and see if it's worth investing more money to extract the oil from the earth. And the effects of drilling the area, biologists are concerned about what would happen after they're finished drilling. And the 1.5 million acres holds the largest portion of the caribou in Alaska. So when they start drilling, obviously all those caribou are going to have to move on elsewhere, where there might not be as much resources for them to survive and live. And once the oil drilling is complete, the tundra will be changed so much that many biologists believe that it will not come back to its natural state for hundreds, even thousands of years, allowing animals not to live there like they do now. And the natives depend on wildlife in that area. They say it accounts for 70 to 80% of their diet throughout the year. And my question to the class is, should we allow for drilling there or not?